Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Fat Trading Partners along with Bob Ichino. Let's start off with the daily chart on Bitcoin. So closing back in the rotation zone yesterday, today holding just below it, watching for that key close above it. Just real nice pull back into the rotation zone. Lower swing high with this, so it couldn't even get to the last high. So we're going to see what happens on a reattempt should that happen. Key support watching now is just below the rotation zone, about 11,060. So that's a key level of support based off the daily. Based off the 4 hour, we have the rotation zone first cross, watching for that bigger pullback in that daily rotation zone because that could be a double cross pattern. Had this little double, very horribly sloppy, giving us a target of 11,612. Running up there, hitting it with the rotation zone, now rotating back down. The next target is 11,678, which will be invalidated if it closes back below 11,413. But the stop loss raising and the first target were both hit, and it was going against the rotation zone. What are we watching for? Should we get above, let me go back to that daily chart. Should we get above this about 1700 area, start watching for 11,816, 11,975, and then a return to 12,150. What you don't want to see if you're bullish is it to get back down and close below 11,100. That would not be a good sign. It would be breaking the rotation zone to the downside. Also, this is running out of momentum, so this next push is critical for the bullish case. Switching over to Ethereum. Come on, Ethereum. There we go. All right, you see yesterday pulling back into the daily rotation zone. Today rotating up, sitting right at the top of the rotation zone. Another horribly sloppy double. Ethereum only managed to hit the first target, was against the rotation zone also. 1387.89. This is still in play, so even if it pulls back, these targets are still in play unless it gets back below about this 380 level, then it would be invalidated. Next target 391.67, 395.45. Then I'd be watching the levels off this significant level 401, then 415 to the upside. Should we go through that? 438 major cluster area, 455 to 461. First level of support, we're watching this because now we have 3 lows, even though there's no closing here. I'm going to be watching about 365. If we drop below that, watching 355, and if we were to drop below that, that would be a very bearish sell-off, and I'd start watching for the 25% retracement, which would take us down to 333. So we have you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.